There's an opportunity forming at the moment, but what it is that it's already taken some money. As far as I'm concerned, it's already taken some stops indicated by this red line here. So he's already just taken out some players. We can take this trade. We can take it. It's there. We're going to take it. We will take it. But the thing is that, like I said, it's already taken some money. And also the next stop area, the next area is this area here, just at the top here. This area here is the next place where money is looking to be taken out of the market. And the reason why I was dubious about it is because our mental stop is around, I suppose is around 16 points as well. So it's a 1-to-1 if you want to work with ratios. But the reason I had a bit of doubt about the trade is because of the fact that this area already has been taken out. This area is a recent, just right now, it's just been taken. So it might just turn on us. I'll put a hard stop on it at the bottom here. Our soft stop is going to be around this area here. And let's see how it goes. Also, because of this large candle which has just been formed, a lot of people can see it on a lot of different softwares. So it's not anything, there's no real advantage. I can't see an advantage that we have over anyone else. They can see what we can see. And also, like I said, stops has been taken out already. So if we go to the hourly chart, I'll show you what I mean by the stops have been taken out. This area here has been falling down for quite a bit of time. There are opportunities in the market and people have put their stop orders here, here, and here. This is because they believe the market is going down. So they've seen an opportunity and they've put a stop here. They've maybe come in. There's an entry after this long candle here, this long candle here, this one here, for example. They've put their money. They've entered the market here and they've put their stop loss here. And they've done the same thing here. Put their stop loss here, entered the market maybe on this candle here, the end of that candle, and the same with the other one. So we are looking to follow the market when it wants to take people's stops. And that's why we are hoping that the opportunity will arise a second time, because they've just now taken this one. The people who had their stops in this area here have just been taken out by the price rise. They've just been taken out. So that being said, we are looking for the opportunity that these people are taken out too. So that's what we're banking on at the moment, to see if these people will be taken out also. But because of the problem we have here of a large uptrend for quite a while, it's like 10-12 hours, it might be at the end of the market. So we only have time to tell. And that's that. Going back to the 5-minute chart, it's doing nothing at the moment, but it's kind of going up. So let's see. It didn't fall straight away, which is a good thing. And it's also giving us a new high. So those two indications are good for us. It's still above all the moving day averages. And it seems to be going up. All the moving day averages here, 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 and this one here, the most important one, the 200-day moving average, is above them all. So we just have to see if it continues to trend. We only want 16 points out of the market today. Our target's around that. That's our target zone. Let's put a zone here, because really we're in zones, innit? So I wouldn't say we want 16 points around that price. That's what we're kind of looking for. I'm not putting a rigidity on it. No way. that gets me into trouble when I want exactly 16 points. I'm there hanging on for half a point, and then the market can turn on you. So let's just see how far it takes us today. Let's see if it works. There are factors that will make it not work, and there are factors that will make it work. It's not looking good now. Look at that. It's going down. It's not really looking good. I wouldn't say it was a long shot, but I would say it's a 50-50 trade. I'd say it's about a 50-50, but we wanted to try it anyway. It's dropped below the 200. No, it's dropped below the 9-day moving average. It hasn't reached our stop or anything, but I don't know. I still believe there's money up there though. I still believe in that area which we were talking about. There's a bit of cash which they want, but whether they're going to go for it straight away or not is a different matter, because like I said, they've already touched this area here. This area here, this line which they've passed, they've taken their money. They've taken their money, and if they've taken their money on that line, it went up 10 points, which is roughly what people around the area where people put their stops, they usually give it maybe between 5 and 10 points from a certain spike, a certain wick. They give it 5 or 10 points. So it's done what it's supposed to have done. Now, if it only wants to take that one, then fair enough. But if it wants to go and take the other stop, which we were looking at, then we're still in the game. I cannot tell you right now, because I don't know whether they want to take both stops or just the one stop. We would tell, maybe we'll see in shortly. It would either go rush down and take our stop, then we're out of the market, or it will go up. But because it's on the wrong side of the 9-day moving average, I'm not happy with that at all. Price has bounced off a moving average, which is a good thing, but it hasn't really done anything. It's rejected the price, the lower prices, but it hasn't actually done anything. So we have to just wait and see if it's going to react in a bullish manner, or whether it's going to start ranging, or whether it's going to go down. Like I said, this trade, it wasn't as clear cut as I would have liked it, because money has already been taken out of the market. This is the problem. So we're just banking on the fact that it might want the money, which is quite close as well. There's some stops just there. Why wouldn't it take it? It's not too far. So that's what we're banking on at the moment. This is not, it's not good. I don't like it at all. I don't like that. It's just not doing the bullish things we want it to do. Unless it rejects this price as well, then fair enough. But it's not being bullish. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. That's a momentum candle right next to it. It should move up. But it has been going up all night. It has been going up all night. So we may have reached the end of this thing. And like I said, it's already taken some stops. So I don't know. We might have made a mess out of this one. I'm going to have to jump out of this trade. It's gone beyond our zone. But the reason why I'm kind of hanging around is because of the fact that in this area here, there's accumulation of stop losses. It might just be after these guys before it goes up. So I'm just going to allow it just to come to this area first. And if it like, I'll let it come to around this area here. And if it doesn't go, if it goes beyond that area, then we're coming out. Yep, we're coming out of this trade now. Nonsense. Right, we've got a sell signal and we are going in. Let's see if we can get a nice profit out of this. We're really targeting the daily low, which is about 43 points from it. We've got a stop loss of 30, maybe 35, 40 points. But our actual stop is around this area here. Not even there, it's about here. This is where our actual stop is. Our mental stop's about 16 points. So let's see if we can take it down as far as we can get. The only reservation I've got is that it's not below this 200-day moving average. This indicates the 200-day moving average. It's not below the signal we received, which is this. is not below the 200-day moving average. That's the only reservation I've got right now. So let's see how far we can get with this trade. See if we can make something of it. There was a lot of negative. As you can see, we were in the red for a bit, but we're getting a nice strong candle here. Look at this candle. It's crazy. Crazy looking candle. Look at this. This is a madness. No real reason. Okay, it's the open, but this is really, really going for it. So that little flurry is 25 points. 25 points in that flurry already. It's taking out these people already on the left. These guys on the left have already been taken out. These guys here, they're all gone. They're all gone already. Let's see what else it can do for us. Will it give us a new low with this same candle? If it does, we're coming out. If we can get a new low with this candle, we might as well jump out. 5-minute candle. Here's the low at the moment. That's the low. If we can get anywhere near that low, we should just come out. I have no qualms of coming out. The region we were looking is about this here. 75% spent on the candle. One candle. If it does this, I'm jumping out. Let's give it just a little bit more. Anywhere near this region is fine. I should have just taken it then. 36.40 candle. 90% spent on the candle. Our mental stop area was up here. So that's 12 points, 13 points. We're in 31 points. There's no questions here. This is a good trade. Oh, Jesus, it's not letting me out. You know what? Let's see what happens here. See this area here? Is it going to reject it? Will it reject this area here? If it rejects this area, we're all right. If it doesn't, we're not all right. This is what happens when you trade near the opens. The actual opens is no good for me. I don't like it. It's very volatile, but if you're on the right side of the trade, it's great. I believe it might have rejected this area here. This area here is rejected it. Now, if it does, it should go right into our zone. But I cannot be sure. Still in the trade. It still looks good. I don't believe they've got what they're after. They want a new low, or at least to target these boys on the left here. Look. See these guys on the left? These guys. There's a lot of stops underneath here. Plenty of money here. Dipping. This is exactly what we want. Just a little bit more on that. We want a new low. At least from that candle. We're looking for a new low. That's good. And we're out. We're out. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's it. So today now is a positive day. That was difficult though. Because the first trade was rubbish. The first trade turned on us. But this one, we got back in. We haven't made much, but we still, it's a plus. We didn't lose anything. I could have stayed in until it reached our zone, but 2 candles to get there, that's fine by me. I'm happy with 2 candles. 67% spent on the candle. We could have waited a little bit longer, but no, I'm fine with that. If you have any questions or you want me to do a particular video, or if there's something you need to be taught, let me know. Drop me a comment, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel, subscribe.